guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing a LOL, and it is a exclusive doll and pet one. It's limited edition and it's a deluxe present surprise. How does it look to y'all? Sounds a little limited edition. Let's get to unboxing. I feel like I need some scissors. There we go. And now I need some scissors. Okay. Oh wow. Ooh, that's a whole lot of stuff. There's a chance we might do a part 2 or not. So that's how much stuff is there. But before we carry on with the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun videos like this. So let's do this. Okay, let's open. Okay, there we go. Okay, looks like I got it open with the power of scissors. Y'all ready to open and see what's inside? Okay. Looks like we got bottle and some confetti. This will be fun. Okay. Boo. So that's the first one. And there are 6 of these. Let's go. Okay, I'm on my next one. Looks like this one's feistier. So let's just cut. Okay. Looks like I did it. But I cheated. Ooh, looks like it's a bath bomb. So I'm gonna just leave it in there. Oh wait, y'all didn't see it. It's this little blue bath bomb. Blue's my favorite color. Ooh, okay, there we go. I can't wait to see what's inside, guys. So let's see what's inside. Okay, good thing oh, it's so cute. It's a little outfit. See, guys? Aww. So, and some more piñata. Well, not piñata, but yeah. Now we got 3 done. Okay. Oh, wow. Got chili bomb. Now I'm going to open it. This is so exciting, guys. I'm so happy. Okay. It's another bath bomb with the color turquoise, my very favorite color. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Okay. There we go. And it's another outfit. That's adorable. It's so cute. See it, guys? It's so adorable. It looks like a little cupcake dress. See the sprinkles and what looks like the cream on the bottom and back. So yeah. And some more confetti. There. Now, I think this is the last one. Do you think it's another bath bomb? Do you think it's something else? Let's find out. Okay, it's another bath bomb. How many bath bombs would you need? I'm gonna be taking a lot of baths tonight. Okay, looks like I got this. It looks like some stickers and, oh no, just some stickers. And some stickers. And I think I'm getting sprinkles and spring clothes. Yeah, they're so adorable, guys. What do you think? Comment on Instagram what you think, that if they're cute or not. But let's continue the video. Oh my bejesus. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Look, guys. That's one big bath bomb. That's so big. Wow, it's so pretty too. It's telling us what's in the bath bomb. Okay. Let's see what's in the bath bomb. And I think it changes colors, guys. Look, because what I see, it changes colors. Let's just put it in water, guys. Let's just put this in water. I want to figure out everything. We'll use this for water. So hold on, I'll be right back, guys, with the water. So let's see what's in here right now. So I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited, guys. I can't even think. Okay, I have to keep calm. Okay, guys. This seems exciting. Okay, y'all ready? I can't wait. Let's just do it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys, look. It's so foamy. Let's put them all in, guys. This is gonna be exciting. In there is the case that has LOLs in it. So inside you can see the actual case on the over, guys. I'm so glad my mom got me this. So this is the case. Let me dry it off. Before I open this one, I want to get all of them out, guys. I put in 3 bath bombs. Let's find them. I found something. It looks like it's for the puppy. It looks like it's little robe. Oh, isn't it cute? It go back in. It's the little outfit for the girl. It looks like a cupcake too. I'm gonna find the next one. Found it. So I got a shoe. Cupcake day. Let's see. I found the other shoe. Let's put that there. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, let's see. It's the puppy, guys. Isn't she adorable? See, guys, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. So, I'm gonna have it right there. Let's open this one. Oh, this one next. It's a little party hat. I wonder who it's for. Is it for the puppy? Or is it for the owner? Okay, last one. Yes. It's the little human and she's naked. See her? Isn't she cute? Well, I can't show her body right now. How about we put her on some clothes? So guys, do not look at her right now. So here she is. Let's put her shoes on. So here's what she looks like. Isn't she adorable? Along with her puppy. Oh yeah, her puppy has a robe. Let's get that one. Let's get her robe on. I bet she'd be happy if she was nice, cozy, and warmed up. Aren't they adorable? I think they changed colors. Let's see. So here I have some cold water. Let's see. Let's put the puppy in there too. Let's keep them in there for a while. She's changing her skin color. Let's see what's happening to the puppy so far. Well, she's turning silver. Did she make a pee? Does it look like they're changing skin colors or not? Tell me on Instagram. I hope y'all had fun on this fun adventure with me. If you really like this video and really want to see more, I insist you click that like button, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. I hope y'all have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. This was XOXO Aaliyah.